Our purview is that regardless of how high you get in an organization, you always will have three responsibilities. And that is of leadership, management, and supervision. Unfortunately, sometimes we get higher in the organization, we forget that we're actually still supposed to supervise. Now, the percentage that we actually supervise may decrease. In other words, I may be the chief, but I still have to supervise my next staff level. I may still have to supervise division heads to make sure that we're staying on the same page and that we're doing the things consistently that we've declared we're going to do as an organization. And so sometimes what happens is we forget about that particular piece of it. And leadership is a process by which, well, really an individual influences others to willingly act to achieve either personal, organizational, or team goals. And that's the thing about leadership. Our job is to influence others to willingly act. Now management is a process by which we actually kind of take care and monitor resources, including human resources, but primarily focused on the resources to achieve the organization's goals. And supervision, however, is the aspect of holding ourselves and others accountable to some consistent standards. Now, our job from a supervisory standpoint is making sure that we're on the same page with those standards and expectations, what they are, what they're supposed to be, from all the way as high as we can go in the organization to as quote-unquote low as we can go in the organization. But the key issue is that we're clear on the standards and expectations. That's a supervisory function. And are we actually holding true to those? So for example, as a leader, I may bring everybody together and say, let's talk about our vision and our mission, and let's put these things together, and let's get on the same page with where we're going. So we do that. And now we have a clear vision and goals, and then what must happen from a management standpoint is we have to actually say, what kind of standards do we have to put in place? What kinds of things do we actually have to have in place to make sure that we can meet that vision? So from a management perspective, it's about the things and also the clear standards and expectations that we're delivering to virtually everybody. And that's even people within our organization and the people that interact with our organization. Then as a supervisor, or from a supervisory perspective, my job is to make sure that one, everyone is clear on those standards. Why? Because we're all on the same page with them. Two, the understanding that the real value and importance of those standards in us achieving our goal or our vision that we've set out, which again, my task is to make that very clear. And on a day-to-day basis, if I'm not supervising or leading or managing to and through those very clear expectations from top to bottom, then I'm probably not doing my job.